Top 4 best free video editing apps for 2026. The first we have is CapCut. This app is insanely popular and for good reason. It's free and packed with features like keyframe animation, background removal, and tons of effects. You can add text filters, transactions, and even sync your edits with beats using the audio beat or auto beat sync feature. It's perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or short form content creators. And the best part is it's beginner friendly but also has some advanced features if you are a pro user. The next up we have Adobe Premiere Rush. This is a scaled down version of Adobe Premiere Pro designed for mobile and desktop users. What's great about this app is its multi-track editing, seamless cloud sync, and professional grade color correction. If you're already in the Adobe ecosystem, this is a no-brainer. It's perfect for creators who want polished edits without diving too deep into complex software. The next up we have VN Video Editor. This app is powerful for all kinds of projects, not just vlogs. VN offers pro-level features like custom speed curves, transactions, and motion tracking, plus it's free without ads or watermarks. And the next we have is Luma Fashion. This app is a beast for serious editors, especially those using iPhone or iPads. It supports multi-layer editing, advanced color grading, and even external monitor support for larger screens. Although it's a paid app, the price is worth it. If you're looking for desktop quality editing on a mobile device, it's ideal for professional projects or anyone pushing the limits of mobile video editing. So there you have it, the top 4 best free video editing apps for year 2026. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.